Yeah, this black light. You know, the last video I was talking about the reason why I do what I do. I do it, as I stated, I hope I made it clear that I do it for my people. Meaning that which we call the original Asiatic black man. I do it for them. And I'm not worried about the Caucasian. Because those Caucasians that have a propensity to not only enlighten themselves, but to have compassion for the black man, they'll automatically understand why I talk the way I talk. Because they know their people better than anybody. They know themselves. And they know that their people, the majority of them, go along with the most corrupt ones of them because of the fact most of them are scared. A lot of them believe that that's the way that they can save themselves. But the wisest of the Caucasian are those that understand the black man. And there's some of those out there. John Brown, and there's one that the only one I can name. There's probably some more that's unknown. A lot of Caucasians come in and help blacks do their thing, rebuilding the city. A lot of them have a sympathetic mind to the black man. But I'm not talking, I'm not concerned whether or not they understand what I'm saying or not. My most concern is that the black man living over here in the U.S. of A., I want him to understand why I do what I do. And that is no trickery or ego. I'm not ego tripping or nothing. And I know what I'm saying is right and exact. Because I was taught by the messenger of Allah. There was a Caucasian woman, I can't think of her name right now, that wrote a book explaining about the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad and the Nation of Islam. And she told the truth. And she understood. I did have that book. I bought it, but over the years of me relocating, and I let a lot of people have my books that they didn't give them back, But I let them keep them. But you do your research and you probably type in Caucasian lady wrote about the Nation of Islam. And there's also a guy that wrote The Making of the White Man. Caucasian. His name is Guthrie. I forgot his first name. So people like that know. But the average brother and sister in the hood, on the street, they think they're real wise and street smart, but they're really not. I'm gonna zero in on this brother named Judge Mathis. There was a brother named Judge Joe Brown. And he was a little bit deeper than Judge Mathis. But Judge Joe Mathis, he talked that street talk. but he for the system. You know, he doing good. You know, I like the brother. I don't say nothing against the brother. I'm not attacking his personality, but I'm attacking his decision. When he first started off, he started off talking black history. And then as the years went on, he stopped talking about black history on national TV. Now he may talk about blackness, black history and blackness on his website, but not on national TV, because national TV belongs to the Caucasian. The website, you know, they trying to get it so you can't say certain things on the web, but it'll be a long time coming. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to launch my YouTube channel to enlighten those that really want to be enlightened on the real tip. Not no gimmicks. I'm not ego tripping. I don't want your money. All I want is your attention. This is Black Light Out.